This is Rajarao PBV Department of CSC BVCC Whatever. Today I am going to discuss about software maintenance. Here, software maintenance is a broad activity which is performed once the software system becomes operational. After the product has been released, the maintenance phase keeps the software up to date with environment changes and changing user requirements. Software maintenance covers correction of errors, enhancements, deletions, and additions of capabilities. Adaptation to changes in data requirements and operational environments. Improvement of performance, usability, or any other quality attributes. The quality of attributes, artifacts such as SRS, architecture, design models, code, and documentation, these are all plays an important role in making the maintenance process effective and efficient. Related to here, first of all, what is a software maintenance? Here, software maintenance is the process of modification or making changes in the system after delivery to overcome errors and faults in the system that were not covered during the early stages of development life cycle. Related to here, IEEE 1219 that is also defines software maintenance as the process of modifying a software system or component after delivery to correct faults, improve performance or other attributes or adapt to a changed environment. Related to here, nature of related to here we have diagrammatical representation of the software maintenance. Here we are performing testing is 15%, implementation is 7%, then designing is 8%, then requirements are 3%. Here maintenance is 67%. This maintenance is plays excellent role in software maintenance. That means a software maintenance is a set of engineering activities that occurs after the software has been delivered to the customers and put into operation. Related to here, software maintenance, like first one is nature of maintenance. Here, modification requests are logged and tracked in nature of maintenance. The impact of proposed changes are determined, code and other software artifacts are modified. Here artifacts. An artifact is a one of many kinds of tangible byproducts producing during the development of software. Like few examples of artifacts like use case diagram, class diagram and other UML models. Related to here requirements and design document. These are helps describing the function, architecture and design of softwares. Then testing is conducted and a new version of software product is released. Then needs of maintenance. Here maintenance is must be performed in order to like correct faults, improve the design, implement enhancement, interface with other system, adapt programs so that different hardware, software system, features and telecommunication facilities can be used. Then migrate legacy software, then retire software. Then one more is tasks of maintainer. Tasks of maintainer. Here maintain control over the software day-to-day function. Maintain control over software modification. Then one more point is perfecting existing functions. Then last one is preventing software performance from degrading to unacceptable levels. Then majority of maintenance cost. Here maintenance consumes a major share of software lifecycle in financial resources. But studies and surveys have shown that over 80% of the maintenance effort is used for non-corrective activities. Quality of software design, constructions, documentations, and testing affects software maintenance cost. Related to here, one more is categories of maintenance. There are various categories of software maintenance. All the maintenance categories concentrates on making changes in the system and their consequences. From the maintenance categories, it is evident that software maintenance is more than correcting errors. Here the main categories of software maintenance are as follows, like first one is corrective maintenance, then adaptive maintenance, perfective maintenance, preventive maintenance, and one more is emergency maintenance. In first one is corrective maintenance, that is corrective maintenance is the reactive modification of a software product which is performed after delivery to correct the software faults are discovered. It is mainly concerned with fixing defects or failures found in a system. It includes all the changes made to remove actual faults in the software. Then one more is adaptive maintenance. In adaptive maintenance is the modification of software products which is performed after delivery to keep the computer program usable in a changed or changing environment. Here the environment for adaptive maintenance also refers to the totality of all conditions and influences that act upon the system from outside. For example, business rules, government policies, work partners, software and hardware platforms. Then one more is perfective maintenance. Here perfective maintenance is the modification of software products which is performed after delivery to improve performance or maintainability. Perfective maintenance refers to changes the originate from users' requests as user organizations or business changes. Once the system becomes operational, perfective maintenance is carried out to improve the system changeability. It mainly deals with accommodating to new or change user requirements. Related to here, for example, the user may need to modify a payroll program to incorporate a new union settlement, add a new report, the sales analysis system, improve a terminal dialog to make it more user friendly, and add an online help command. Then one more is preventive maintenance. This one is due to the long term effect, correctiveness, adaptive and reactive maintenance. The structural complexity of software increases and degrades its quality. Therefore, preventive maintenance is required to maintain software or reduce problem. Here, preventive maintenance is the proactive counterpart of the reactive category of corrective maintenance. It involves actives to update the software in anticipation of any future problems. Related to here, one more is